Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for our December 2020 Scripture Stamp Club reveal. This one is stunning. I cannot wait for y'all to see this. I think that this stamp set is going to take you all the way through the winter months and into spring and even into summer. Like, this is going to be a set you can use for all seasons, and I love it. This set is called As the Deer. Ready for this? Look how gorgeous. I'm going to hold this where there's no glare so you can see it. Just look how beautiful these deer are. Not to mention these antlers here at the bottom. Now, let's go through and let's say what everything says, okay? So first off, we went heavy on scripture on this set because I think the scriptures around deer and animals are so beautiful. So this first one says, "Ask the animals and they will teach you. In his hands is the life of every creature and breath of all mankind," from Job 12:7 and 10. And then, "As the deer pants for streams of water, so my soul pants for you, my God," from Psalms 42. And then, "He makes my feet like the feet of a deer. He causes me to stand on the heights," from Psalm 18. And then we added, "Hello, dear," and "You're so dear." I thought these were so cute in case you just wanted to send something, maybe that didn't have scripture, or maybe on the inside of the card you wanted to do something like that. And then these pieces. Now, let me show you. So as it is Christmas week this week, I'm actually filming this today, the day you're going to see this. I am extremely swamped getting ready for Christmas, so I didn't make any samples this week, but I wanted to spend some time showing you what our plan was with this guy. So I'm going to ink this up. Now, as you know, this is the first time I have inked this stamp, and I'm using the VersaFine, but anytime you stamp up a stamp or ink up a stamp for the first time, you'll see that it's not going to get you perfect coverage every time. You're going to have to kind of season your stamp. Now, that's not too bad for a first go, but I'm going to stamp it several times and kind of season it. And the reason this is, in case you're new to this, photopolymer stamps are porous, and so the more they get filled, more the little holes fill up, the better they stamp. And with these bold antlers, it looks like this time I might get a good image. With the bold antlers, you really want to kind of season those. The fine lines here, yeah, that's beautiful, right? The fine lines down here are not going to be an issue. Now, one thing I want to tell you about those flowers there, the reason they look like they look, I wanted to make them large enough for you to be able to color them. Sometimes in stamp sets, the images are too tiny and you can't really get in there and color. We tried to give you some pretty large open spaces there to be able to color, and we made it pretty simple by giving only like 3 flowers and then leaves. So you should be able to color these in every kind of color scheme you can imagine, from winter to summer, you name it. Look how beautiful those are. Okay, so that's the antlers, but let me show you what Sylvia did. Painstakingly she did, which I think is beautiful. So the scriptures themselves have been laid out so that they will fit between the antlers. Now this one's pretty small, so it's not hard to do, but look at this. They will nestle between the antlers. That's why they're kind of shaped the way they are. Look how gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I love that so much. And I was so proud of her. She took a lot of time making this happen because I was like, okay, Sylvia, I really want to be able to stamp these scriptures in the antlers. And that doesn't seem like a lot, but when you're laying out fonts, it can be pretty tough. And she did a great job. Look at this one. It lays just like this. So the points of the antler at the top fit like so. Isn't that beautiful how it lays out? And it's kind of like it's nesting it in there. So pretty. And then our last scripture from this one also nestles right inside of those antlers. I just think it's so beautiful. Can you see the whole front of a card? Or I think this set, if you're a Bible journaler, I think this set is perfect for Bible journaling. So think about that too. This would be a great one if you wanted to put this into your, maybe you have one of the journal Bibles where you stamp in it and do some little scripture art. I think it'd be perfect for that. Let's look at the deer. I think they're gorgeous too. But I mean, you know, we did pick it out, so we do think it's beautiful. So this deer, what I love about it is it has floral pattern in it. I wanted them to be a little softer. We have a set with deer called Vinnie's Fade that's got the more full-bodied deer, but I wanted to give us something that was a little softer, that if we wanted it to have a feminine twist, it could, but it doesn't have to. You know what I'm saying? You could stamp this in like a pink or a blue. You know, if someone's doing like a baby shower that's like, oh dear, she's almost here, or something like that, it would be so cute to use these kind of images for that. So there's that guy. And again, that's my first stamp, so he'll be better the second time. Here, I'll show you, because he'll soak up ink and we'll get an even darker image the second time. I just love how this looks. I think that's so beautiful, so pretty. All right, let's look at the other ones. And I cannot play with this set without singing the worship chorus, As the Deer. Do y'all know that song? As the deer panteth for the water. Much, much better than that. But I cannot play with this set without that song coming into my mind. And that doesn't bother me one bit. Look how beautiful. He just looks like he's standing in a forest and he's behind the branches and the flowers and the thing. I just think it's so pretty. All right, let's do the baby. And again, I challenge you guys to use these guys with some pastel colors, which, you know, I'm not a pastel-y colored person, but I see these done in pinks and blues and things like that. Although they're beautiful in the dark colors as well, I just think these would be so stunning in those beautiful dark, light colors, you know, maybe with a pretty sky behind it. Maybe on, I don't know, maybe on yellow. I just see it like that. Y'all tell me what you think. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the other two sentiments on this block and stamp them for you so you can see those as well. This kind of reminds me of an old school reveal. This is how we used to do it. You know, we used to stamp all the images so you could see them. So there you go, guys. That is your new set, As the Deer. I think it is so pretty, and I think you're going to get a lot of use out of it. All these, I just can't imagine what you're going to do with all this. The other thing, I can see this being colored or embossed, or I have a lot of ideas for it. And when we come back from the holidays, this will be one of the first ones I focus on so I can show you. But think about this for our bookmarks we're making, for the cards we send to people that need to be just a kind of blank card, but just have something pretty on it. Imagine this for, I have an idea for a little notebook. So many things are coming. Let me get through Christmas and I will show you some more. But that is your club set. I think it is so beautiful. I'm very proud of this set. So I hope you guys enjoyed as much as we do. And remember, there's always a giveaway every month. So if you want to enter next month's giveaway, all you need to do is make a project using this stamp set and post it to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, and you're entered to win a $50 gift card. Now, if you entered last month, there is a winner listed in the description below. The first line will be our winner from last month, and congratulations, you will have won a $50 gift card. So check the description. Also check your email because we email the winner to let them know. All right, thanks so much, guys, for being a part of our club. I cannot wait for you to get this set and show me what you do. Y'all have a great one. Have a Merry Christmas. It's just a couple days away. I hope it is the merriest. And we will see you again real soon. Bye now.